Hello and welcome to this week's video. We are preparing to go to the Bahamas, so we need all of our safety gear. So we're going to put together 3 different bags and then an emergency gear for the boat as well. So the first bag is our dinghy bag. We're going to pack in our dinghy. The second bag will be our emergency medical kit, which we're going to keep in here. And then the third one is our ditch bag, like with our SOS, like the boat's going down bag.
So I discovered when I moved the boat the other day, I had an exhaust leak. It was dripping. I'd forgotten. I kind of knew about this, but I'd forgotten. This is the elbow off my exhaust. It comes out of my engine, it comes down here, and then it goes out and up out my exhaust. And there's a hose that goes here, and then hose clamps. And this had cracked. So the more I squeezed, the more it leaked. So it's fiberglass, and I've got fiberglass material on board, so quick patch. We'll sand this real quick and put it back together. But always something on our boat. Always something. So we got this done. All sanded. And we got a new piece of hose. And I've got my rudder indicator for some reason stopped working today, so I got to fix that. I've got a steering leak somewhere I got to figure out. My port engine tachometer works sometimes and doesn't other times. We fixed the bimini top. Ooh, I got to go get that part today. I changed all the fluids in the engines and transmissions and the generator. I still need to do a coolant flush on the generator and get it actually running. And I think I need to maybe bleed it. And then I got to go through all over the boat in the engine room. I've got pads like this that absorb petroleum products. I got to change all those out. And then scrub the bilge and then put new ones back in. So this is all stuff that I discovered on the way up from just moving our boat. What was it, an hour? Which is good to do a shakedown kind of small cruise before you get underway and take off. So I'm going to get right down there. Hopefully I can try and show what this is. It's gonna go back in there. And then we'll turn it and get this piece in here.
Here's everything we pack in our dinghy bag. Our red and green light, extra batteries for it, our all-around white light, which doesn't go in the bag but in the dinghy, air horn, dinghy keys, extra pair of dinghy keys, sunglasses, little light for the headlight, some power cords to charge some of our phones and such, basic first aid kit, Caleb's EpiPens, 2 of them, a radio, our Garmin InReach, some reflectors, sunblock, another signal horn, another air horn in case the first one breaks, bug spray, packing tape, and nail clippers, as well as binoculars.
And I'm going to show you what we're going to put on our ditch bag, our emergency ditch bag, SOS. We have, the bag itself is a flotation device with clips that clip onto each person. so that we can stay together. We put flares in the bag, and we have some expired flares. Why not throw those in? And a nylon rope so it floats. I'm gonna organize this better. We put 5 bottles of water in there. I know that's not much, but there's 5 of us. So each of us gets a bottle of water. We're not crossing the ocean. We're just going to the Bahamas. With some medicine. So we've got Highlight. It helps extra hydrate your water, so you're extra hydrated. Some medicine because some of our kids get extremely seasick. And sunblock that is not liquid. A tourniquet. And a belt. And pocket knife to help with that. All of our documentation and passports. Seasick medicine. Just basic first aid band-aids. Some emergency whistles, flashlights, and reflective mirror. And more emergency first aid kit. And then flags in case we need to wave a flag. Of course, I forgot the EPIRB itself is on the side. I can either set it off with a button or it goes off when it's deployed in water automatically. And it's already registered to us in our vessel, so they'll know exactly where to go. And it will ping a location to the Coast Guard. We went to 3 stores today to provision.
Yeah.
We went to Costco, Walmart, and Publix. And we just realized, I have to show you this. Carter has a magic room. I just put groceries in Carter's room. And in the morning,
They're all put away.
they're magically put away.
It's magically all fit.
It's-
And I don't know how it's done when this is already fully stocked. And fully stocked. Fully stocked.
Oh my
all the way up in
gosh.
there. And it's like magic the way I.
It's just
all this
magic.
food.
Yeah, I don't know how we're going to fit all of this.
You're just gonna have to give me.
Yep, it's
that's
magic.
12 hours.
In the morning, we'll see.
Yeah.
Here is our provisions in our freezer. Meat, we, what's that called?
Vacuum sealed.
Vacuum sealed at Costco
Food
stuff.
saver.
Yeah.
Food saver. Right.
And then milks, butters,
I want all the juices.
vegetables,
All these.
eggs, cheese, creamer. Chris got 25 creamers. And then we are stocked full of veggies and onions and lettuce and all the things.
One of the places we have to store stuff is under these benches in our kitchen, which, unlike our couch in the living room, has storage under them.
Yeah, why do we make fun of our couch?
Because it is everything on above has 2 uses. This chair and storage. This chair, storage, and AC unit. Everything has 2 uses. The couch is just a couch. There's no
There's
way
no
to put-
bed under it, and there's no storage under it.
It's just a couch in the middle of the floor that collects a whole lot of dust bunnies and junk.
Let me see what all we have in there.
2 bags of cat food right now, and then we're gonna put a bunch of juices in here. Can I have the Capri Suns next?
Oh yeah, I realized we're putting those under there.
For slushies. You put them in the freezer
you
and
want
make
Capri Suns and
slushies.
Kool-Aids.
Pull the plastic off and
Freezer.
just give me the box.
Slushes.
Chase, there's the other one. Go open it up and just bring me the boxes. Hey, don't talk to him. He'll eat them all. Those are for me.
And finally, we want to show you our emergency first aid kit bag. So we're going to put it in this bag. We've got your regular Band-Aids,
and stuff.
Neosporin, more EpiPens, honey, soap, more Neosporin, and then lidocaine for numbing. We have stitches,
We needed those last time.
ear infection medicine, scissors and tweezers, steroids and hydrocortisone cream, gloves, gauze, wrap, wipes, bags and pads and all that, more gauze, super glue, duct tape, a flap over a fire. Bleed stop powder, you can just put on any large cut. Tourniquet, a quick clot gauze pad, hydrogen peroxide, and more tourniquets. That's what we have. Are there more things we could add? 100%. But this is what we have based on what we've needed in the past, based on the risk that we've assessed. So here's our 3 bags. We keep them in easily to grab bags so we can take them with us, take it wherever we need, and grab it real fast.
Grab and go.